This is what we'll be doing today. A little installation. 6x9s, 12. Got an amp. My man wants to retain the factory stereo look. As you can see, you got the factory stereo, shark fin, satellite radio. You know, that's mine over there. Okay, but yeah, we'll do that later. Y'all didn't see the new one yet. We'll do that later. All right, so for all my Buick Lucerne owners, excuse me, for all my Buick Lucerne, I didn't get right today, my bad, y'all. Buick Lucerne owners, here we go. First and foremost, anytime you're dealing with anything electrical, disconnect that battery. Can't repeat myself enough. Disconnect the battery. Pop that seat off, take that battery cable out. 2 seconds. All right, so boom. Like I said, we doing the amp, so I already got that prepped. I don't go crazy with it. The remote wire will be hooked up to a fuse. If you want to replace your 6x9s, excuse the camera, sorry. If you want to replace your 6x9s, here's what you got to do. Let me get this in place. All right, so this panel goes here usually. You're gonna pop this tab out, unscrew that screw. Unfortunately, I was a little eager. This one got pulled out with the screw in it, but it's okay. You cannot get the rear deck out without getting this out first, because that little locking tab locks into here on the deck. You can't even tell until you start pulling on stuff. There's also 2 pinholes on the deck that you got to take off that are behind each seat. As you can see, I'm pulling down on the seat. You do not have to remove the rear seat. Don't listen to the people who said you do. All right. What I use to get the deck bolts out, I got the deck bolts out with this here. 9/32. You know, just use a small ratchet, nothing heavy. Make sure you don't hit the glass. As you can see, you do not have a lot of clearance space. Once these speakers get put in, I'll be right back, my jacks. For your Buick Lucernes, I can't really speak on too many other vehicles. We got a little bit of wire showing right there. I'll retape that. But all right, so if you're just doing aftermarket speaker installation, this is gonna go for you. I don't got these screwed in or nothing yet, but your blue wire, don't worry about that black, because that's just tape. I just peeled it back. The blue wire is your positive on the right side, that is. The light blue wire is your negative. On the left side, which is your passengers, on your driver's side, sorry, I'm all jacked up like I told y'all. Your positive is the brown, your negative is the yellow. But being that I'm hooking up a sub to the factory unit, we need that line output converter. I just take a negative from the driver's side, positive from the passenger side, and I just wired them into here instead of doing all that extra stuff. I'm pretty good at it. You only need a signal. You don't need all that wire to be connected. Yeah, you got to ground it for best performance. I'll get there. Next step is going to be probably bolting them in. Then get these wires here all screwed around, ran right now. I got this already set in here. And the amp is going to be going off pretty soon. I'll be right back at ya. Hang accessory fuse. This will make it come on once the car is on. If you just had the key turned forward or you turn the car off, your sub will turn off. You want that. Power wire is going to go on top of this. I do not have it connected yet. As I said before, disconnect the damn battery. I can't say that more enough times. All right, so this will. Sorry about that. I almost fell. But this is gonna run like that. Had it in there. Just get it tucked in there. Just get that. Sorry about the sunshine. God, jeez, I'm having difficulties today, guys. I'm sorry. Then you flip and flop. There's a little spot for the wire to come out right here. I like it. I like it a lot. It's real clean. But I gotta take that off because I do the power wire. But you know, you see where I'm going with it. Then we take it to the trunk. wires running. Got the wires tucked from behind. Boom. Power over remote wire. Good ground. This is where, you know, run the ground from over here. But the kit that he bought didn't have a long ground wire for the spark that I wanted to use. So it had a long power wire. I just merged it, put a wire connector in the middle, taped it up, let them know that that's the ground. Coming to the amp, ground. Power wire, remote wire. Still gonna do the speaker wires.
I got 3 months.
Still gotta do that. But yeah.
After 3 months, I'm
Cleaning it up. Let's start cleaning it up.
paid off. It's already been 18 months before they paid off.
Had some hiccups. Had a bum sub. But single sub is pumping now. Had a whole lot of wires. We're gonna tape them up. We're gonna wrap and tap them up. You know. As you can see, the customer's on the way. Don't worry about that. As you can see, still kicking in there. Nothing to worry about. Nobody looking at your shit, seeing if you got sounds or whatever.
See, a lot of these niggas be acting like they real steppers out here, but you not that fourth quarter pressure.
Yeah.
Big bag couldn't have said it no better.
Nice and decent. And just like that, you could stereo system, factory, bass, aftermarket, like a mug. That's your ground. Power. Everything's tucked. Back seats back in place. Like I said, I had to take the rear deck out. As you can see, that thing ain't jumping around. Ain't flip-flopping around. Everything's tight, buttoned up. Kissing that Apple style. My nephew's in the building. Say hi, Cam. Say hi. Alright. And there you got it, YouTube. Your boy M Black getting back at you. I'll be with you. Stay safe.